Hey everyone, I'm Whitney and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look using the Kylie X Jordyn palette. Yay! So I've actually just gone over my eyes with foundation. So now I'm going into my Kylie perfecting powder and I'm going to take my E25 and I'm just going to set our base.
Can I trust my emotions? Is it the heat of the moment? Cause my heart just exploded.
I'm gonna take my E25 and go into the shade Wife Life. Going to apply this to my crease.
When I saw your face,
we're just using this as a transition shade.
your eyes held me captive.
So I'm not gonna apply too much.
Ooh, I ain't asking for ransom, and I'm still not reacting. What am I waiting for? Am I afraid I wanna talk to you?
Using that same brush, we're going into Soulmate. We're gonna apply this to our crease.
I should've known, I should've stopped for you. Ooh, I've been waiting for a girl like you, but I don't know if I should make a move. Cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you.
I wanna add some more.
You again. But I won't forget that ocean blue. Your
Bringing it up a little bit.
ocean blue. There's some things that I know about you. Number one's that you got options. Cause any guy would be free falling. Lucky to have you. Number two is that you.
I've got my E30 and I'm gonna go into the shade My Heart. You're gonna apply this to our crease. Just give it some more definition.
That you're real girl. Messy bun, my ideal girl. Number three is the deep blue sea that is looking back at me. Am I afraid I wanna talk to you? I should've known, I should've stopped for you.
You guys know I like to swoop it out a little bit, just so that it doesn't bring our eyes down. It kind of keeps them up and lifted.
Ooh, I've been waiting for a girl like you, but I don't know if I should make a move. Cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you again. But I won't forget that ocean blue. Your ocean blue.
I don't even know. I just can't stop thinking about it, you know, like what would have happened if I turned around and said something?
I've been waiting for a girl.
I'm going to take that same brush and go back into Soulmate. We're just gonna go above this darker purple shade that we popped in. We're just gonna lightly dust it on there.
Like you now, but I don't know if I should make a move. Cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you again. But I won't.
Now we're taking our E35 and going into Love You Be. We're gonna add this to the outer corners of our eyes.
Forget that ocean blue. Your ocean blue. Your ocean blue.
And I'm not tapping off the excess. I'm just going straight in.
Knock, knock, who's there? You fell out
Gonna blend it inward a little bit,
of the sky.
all the way to the corner, inner corner.
Baby, out of thin air. You speak, I stare.
We're gonna take our E37 and all over blend.
Oh, I'm in deep, never coming off the air. And I'm hooked just like that. It's not fair. Tryna play it cool, but I really can't. Said I'm hooked just like that, right there. And I said, would it be okay if I kiss you? Tell me would you mind if I lay right here? Would it be okay if I hold you?
Taking our E35, we're going into the shade Sister. We're gonna apply this to the outer corners of our eyes.
You, if I told you, yeah, okay. I wanna be your girl, okay. Yeah, I wanna be your girlfriend. Hey, I just wanna be yours, okay. Yeah, I wanna be your your girlfriend. Hey, I wanna be your girl. Okay, yeah, I wanna be
Okay, using that same brush, we're gonna go back into the shade Love You Be.
your girlfriend. Hey, I just wanna be yours. Yeah,
All right, taking our E37, we're gonna blend.
I wanna be your girlfriend. No crush, who this? Do you feel the same? Cause I can't ignore this.
Taking my E17, I'm going into the shade Soulmate. I'm gonna apply this to my lower lash line, from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner.
You know I'm not scared. Show you all my cards and you give me blank stare. And I'm hooked just like that, it's not fair. Tryna be chill, but you know I can't. Said I'm hooked just like that, right there. And I said,
All right, we're going into Love You Be. We're going to focus mainly on our outer corner under our lash line, working our way inward to the center.
would it be okay if I kiss you? Tell me would you mind if I lay right here? Would it be okay if I hold
We're going into the shade Sister. We're just applying this to the outer corner of our lower lash line.
you if I told you? Yeah, okay. I wanna be your
Using that same brush, I'm going into my heart, and I'm actually gonna apply this to my waterline.
girl. Okay, yeah. I wanna be your girlfriend. Hey, I just wanna be yours. Okay, yeah. I wanna be your girlfriend. Hey, I wanna be your girl. Okay, yeah. I wanna be your
All right, we're gonna do the same with our lower inner rim, I guess. We're not gonna drag it in as far though.
girlfriend. Hey, I just wanna
Going to the center, and then kind of blending it off.
be yours. Yeah, I
We're gonna take our E20 and smudge.
wanna be your girlfriend. Boy, you gotta know what's going on here. Tell you how I feel, then you go and disappear. Boy, you gotta know what's going on here. Tell you how I feel, then you go and disappear.
You guys see how that kind of softens it up a bit?
Would it be okay if I kiss you? Tell me would you mind if I lay right here? Would it be okay if I hold you? If I told you? Yeah.
I sprayed my E20 with water, and we're gonna go into the shade Marry Me. Okay, so we're gonna apply this towards the inner corners of our eyes and then slightly blend it out.
Okay. I wanna be your girl. Okay. Yeah. I wanna be your girlfriend. Hey. I just wanna be yours. Okay. Yeah. I wanna be your girlfriend. Hey.
I'm just kind of pressing it in.
I wanna be your girl. Okay. Yeah. I wanna be your girlfriend. Hey. I just wanna be yours. Okay. Yeah. I wanna be your girlfriend. Yeah.
Okay, using that same brush, we're going into Wild Love. We are going to apply this towards the outer corner, and then we're gonna pack it towards the center.
Caught up in the web of my own fantasy, choking on the words that you said to me. Now I'm bathing in the aftermath, but I'm never going back. I'm never going back.
Okay, I just wet my brush down again and just dipping back into the Wild Love shade. I just want to deepen this up.
Let your soul get too close to me. Yeah. Your heart is an ocean and I fell deep. Try to conquer me, now I'm lost at sea. I drown, try to reach your highs, but I broke these chains, now watch me fly.
I'm taking my E46 and going into my highlighter True Mama, and I'm gonna apply this to the inner corners of my eyes as well as my brow bone.
I throw your words and your weapons, trying to break my bones. Oh, you forgot that I'm royal when you sold me for gold. I'm not a victim anymore, 'cause now I am the hunter.
I'm just going to reapply my foundation where I have fallout underneath my eyes from the eyeshadow. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes off camera. So, of course, I decided to add some of my Kylie liquid lipsticks. I used Wicked along with Spice, and Spice I just kind of added to the center and just kind of dabbed it on out. Blended it a little bit. All right, guys, here's the final look. What do you guys think of this look? I am actually really feeling it. Like, I am digging it. Yeah. You can run your mouth, scream and shout, but I'm never going back. Yeah, I'm never going back. And I can be the bitch that you made me. Your heart is an ocean and I felt. Okay, so who noticed I moved some pictures around? Did you notice that? If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you guys want to, go ahead and subscribe. You certainly don't have to, but you certainly can. I mean, it's free. I will see you guys in the next video. Later, freaks. Oh yeah, okay, I'm supposed to do this after. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Okay. Do I? Oh no, my microphone's cutting into the. It likes to do that sometimes. It likes to just fall. Ooh. We're just going with it. I look like I belong on Gotham or something when I do that. Also, be sure to follow me on, almost on Facebook. Follow me on MySpace, guys! Like, no, wait, how would you say that? Add you as a friend? Wait, no. Friend me? MySpace me for sure. I will fix whatever mess up later. Okay, so I'm gonna take my E25. Do I look like a model? No, not really. Yeah, no. Now we're gonna take our E37. Now we're gonna. Oh, I'm bored. I'm tired. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, those don't go together whatsoever. But that's okay. Because that's not what you're here for, right? Right. Hi, Prince. Okay, so I'm taking my E19. No, why did I say this? I mean, but there are some things that are free that aren't very good. Yeah. I just start doing my poses like this, like all weird. And like, here's the final look. Oh my god. That's scary. Alright guys, there you have it. If you enjoyed, be sure to check out my Instagram channel.